Hi everyone, my name is Nick and today I'm going to be showing you how to submit a project from Microsoft MakeCode Arcade or MakeCode Micro into the Coolest Projects online showcase. Here I am at MakeCode Micro. I've got a cool tracking device project that lets me hunt down my keys and I want to submit it to Coolest Projects. Now you can see I'm logged in and that's important because you need the project saved to your account in order to share it. If I click this symbol, I'm given the option to share my project, and that will create a shareable link that makes it viewable by anyone who has it. I'll hop over to the MakeCode Arcade just to show you that it's the same thing there. Click the icon, get the link. Now I just need to copy this link and we will use it in a second when we submit to Coolest Projects. Okay, now in a new tab, here I am on the Coolest Projects website. This white button here will take us to the page full of information about all of our glorious global in-person events. Be sure to check that out for an event in your area, but for now I'm going to just click on the online showcase. Here we are, about to log in. You'll need a Raspberry Pi account for this, so you can either create one here or just log in. And here we are logged in. Now to start our project submission. If you are submitting for yourself, just click this button on the left. You do have to be 13 years or older to enter by yourself. If you're 12 or under, you'll need to ask an adult to enter for you by using this button on the right. If an adult has given you a group code to use, you press this option on the top. If not, we'll use this option on the bottom. And here is where we enter all the details about our project. So we give it a name and choose a category to enter it into, and then here is where we can share the link to our project. So drop that right in here, and as I said, you can do the same for Scratch, MakeCode Micro and MakeCode Arcade. Otherwise it will need to be a publicly viewable YouTube or Vimeo video. Then you fill out the rest of the form, adding in all the information that you want to show off about. Then use this part of the form to tell us who you are and tell us where you are in the world, and hit register. If you have final tweaks to make, you can use this Save for Later button to save your progress and continue later. And that is it. We cannot wait to see what projects you come up with. We'll see you soon.